Adding subtitles to your videos can be done easily without any hassle at all in DaVinci Resolve. Now, just like in Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve has an AI software within it that generates subtitles for your videos. So how do you do it? Gather your village people. Let me show you. Get into your DaVinci Resolve software. Now, when you're done with your editing and everything, you just go straight up to your timeline, click on Create Subtitles from Audio. Then this tab opens, you select the language for the subtitle, you select the subtitle text, and then you go to maximum. I like to put mine at 10. Then down here lines, I select double. Then you hit create. And then you wait for a couple of seconds and DaVinci Resolve will do its magic. Now the subtitle layer has been created and then the subtitle text has been added to your timeline. It creates a layer specifically for subtitles right here. So that's what you have up here on the timeline. Now you can customize the subtitle to look however you want it to look. And how you do that is simply by just clicking on one of the subtitles. Click on just one of the subtitles, go to the inspector tab on the right here, select the font. I like to use Montserrat. I like to use extra bold italic. Select the font size. Let's say we use a 40 size font. Then scroll down, set your position. If you want to add shadow, you can add a little bit of shadow. Once that is done, it affects all the subtitles on your timeline. Very simple. The next thing you just do is you go over it because it's AI, it can make mistakes. So you just go over it and correct some of the mistakes it will make and you're good to go. Your subtitles are done. Now this is for DaVinci Resolve 19. DaVinci Resolve 20 advances it a whole lot more. So we're going to check that later on, but this is basically how you add subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. Very easy. And that will be all for this video. Until the next video, don't forget to continue to learn, create until you become.